Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.